what's up guys? I'm Lori Harvey and today we're getting personal. Get it? Personal. Okay. First things first, gotta have a pair of sunglasses on hand. These are one of my favorites, Saint Laurent. They just are the vibe. Next, of course, my phone. Got You Ever Swim? And obviously, everybody knows why I have my phone. Keep a little powder puff just in case, you know. Got a blot, she gets a little oily on the go. Gotta keep everything nice and fresh. So let's keep a powder puff on hand. Then I have my wallet card holder. It's real cute. Real demure. Gotta keep hand cream. Like, one thing you will never find me is ashy. So I have to keep hand cream in my bags at all times. And she has like a cute little mirror compact. You know, the girls that get it. For like when she's out, needs to do her touch-ups, make sure everything looks good. Then I have my AirPods. Fun fact, my speaker on my phone is broken, so I have to talk on speakerphone every time I answer a call. So I keep these on me now. So if I'm in public, I'm not like being crazy. I just pop my earbuds in and take my phone calls. Next, I have this cute little fan, just in case, you know, she gets hot somewhere. There's like no AC. Just keeps it cute. Some cuticle oil, because nobody likes crusty cuticles. It just smells like actually a little floral. Keep a little thing of deodorant, because like I said, you're not gonna catch me ashy and you're not gonna catch me smelling. Next, I keep a baby hair brush, because, you know, baby hair queen. I go through baby hair brushes like crazy. I think I have like 100 of them, so I have them in like all my bags. Next, I have my Rhode Peptide Lip. I think I have one of these in all my bags. Just a really good lip on the go. You can put her over lip liner, no lip liner, whatever. I keep some ponytail holders, just, you know, like you always need a ponytail holder on hand. Then I have, this is like one of my favorite lip liners. It's Made lip liner in Primal. This is like my go-to. If you see me with lip liner on, 10 times out of 10, it's this lip liner. And then to complement it, I have my Made lip gloss. I think I have more than one Made lip gloss in here, yeah. These two, this one is like really my favorite. It has like a nice glitter, but it's not overpowering. It just gives you like a nice, it's giving a nice pop, right? Then I have my Skin by LH White Tea Toner. She's just a good freshen up on the go. Very fresh, keeps the skin glowy, hydrated. So anytime I feel like I need a little pick-me-up for my skin, I'm whipping her out. I have my birth control, because, you know, no babies. I think that's it. Oh, another ponytail holder.